Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, this is another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your Windows operating system is not being able to open up exe files by editing the reged area. All right, the first thing we're going to do is go to the search and type in regedit. You're going to go to the registry and you're going to right click run as admin. All right, once we get to the registry editor, we're going to be looking for the HKey classic root folder right there. It's going to do a drop down. We're looking for the .exe file selection. Just be careful and look very closely in the video. .exe right here. Now look to the right panel and we're going to select the default reg file. Double click on that and click modify. Under value data, we want to make sure it's set to exe file, all one word, then press OK. So you could try it if it resolve your issue just from that. If it doesn't, there's a couple of things we could do. Staying in this folder, we're going to scroll down and we're looking for exe file. Just pay attention to the video and you follow along carefully. So here we go. Once we find that, there we go, exe file. Be careful. Double click and go into the value data and change it. You're going to change it to what you see on the screen. It's quotation sign, percentage, 1, quotation sign, percentage, star. Remember that, 'cause you're going to use that for the third option. Go and press OK. Now that's one last thing you could try after this. So go ahead and see if it fixes your issue. Now go back to the exe file that we're on, expand the folder. Expand the shell folder, expand the open folder, select the open folder and go to the default file again. Double click on that entry and value data. We're going to enter that same value data at the same time. The quotations, percentage, 1, quotation, percentage, star. Same information on the screen. So we're going to get that information in, percent sign, star, then OK. Okay, at this point we've done the last thing that should fix your exe. Just restart your computer and run your exe. Now whenever you work in the reg editor, always try to create a backup for you won't lose it just in case you edit something you're not supposed to. Here's how you do that. Go to file, export, and just save it somewhere safe. And so that way, if you edit something that kind of mess up your computer, you can just load up the older edge, if that makes sense. Thanks. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.